So I just wanted to turn this on to document and hopefully successfully that this car starts. So yesterday, which was really interesting, was this motherfucker just didn't want to start. So we're gonna see again if it's able to. Let's cross our fingers here. Holy, all right. So if you've never had your car just start to shit the bed, you might not know what it feels like, where every time you turn the ignition, you're not sure if it's gonna actually start. So I'm relieved, because if it's, you know, it's like what, $500 to $1,000 you got to put into your whip. I've been driving this guy since I was 16. I'm 31 now, so she's still on point.